rubber band engine.
Problems in your mouth.
You got any scotch tape? Hey, next up. What do you got, huh? I tried. Yeah? How about you?
Who? Me?
Yeah.
Well, what about you?
But that's what I thought.
Now, come on, guys, look. Now, my car could be a major piece of machinery. You know that? Why?
Go!
Now, look. Why this car could be systematic. How dramatic. Ultramatic. Why this car could be Greased Lightning. Oh,